Hello everyone. Welcome back to Stock Market Meridian. Today is 30th June 2026 and you're watching today's pre-market report. Also, today is Nifty 50 monthly expiry. So there is high chances of heavy volatility in today's session. Let's begin with global markets. Starting with US markets, all major indices opened with huge gap up and closed with strong positive momentum. Coming to the European markets, all major indices traded mostly in sideways momentum and ended slightly in red. Now looking at the Asian markets, Japan indices are closed in slightly positive side and today opened at 1.4% gap up. China markets are also closed in mild positive bias, but South Korea index closed in negative bias and today opened at same level. We will discuss about Gift Nifty at the end of this video. Now let's move to commodities section. US WTI crude oil is currently trading at around $69 to $71 per barrel, while Brent crude oil is trading nearly $72 to $74 per barrel. In Indian commodity market, crude oil futures are closed with 2.5% gains in yesterday, while natural gas futures are closed with 3.5% losses. In precious metals, Indian gold futures closed with nearly 1.2% loss, while international gold futures are trading at around 0.1% losses. Indian silver futures closed with 0.5% gains, while international silver futures are trading above 0.5% gains. Now let's check ADR's data. Yesterday, only HDFC Bank ADR closed in positive territory, and all other major ADRs including ICICI Bank, Infosys, Reliance, Dr. Reddy's Labs, and Wipro ADRs ended in negative territory. Now moving to FIIs and DIs data. Yesterday, FIIs were net sellers worth 1350 crores, while DIs were net buyers worth 2801 crores. Looking deeper into the positioning, FIIs are mildly bullish on stocks and stock futures, mild bearish on index options and neutral on index futures. DIs are strongly bullish on stocks, mild bullish on index futures and neutral on other segments. Retail investors are strongly bullish on index options and neutral on remaining segments. Now let's check economic calendar. Yesterday, India's industrial data has came out positive. Today, important data points include China manufacturing PMI, UK GDP data, German CPI data, US jobs opening data, and also US consumer confidence data will be updated. And tomorrow, major updates include Indian manufacturing PMI data, Europe CPI inflation data, US ADP non-farm employment change, S&P manufacturing PMI, and US crude oil inventories data will be updated. Before moving further, a quick reminder. I upload pre-market videos every single morning before market opens and post-market videos every evening after market close. So if you don't want to miss any important market updates, make sure you stay connected with Stock Market Meridian and please subscribe to the channel. Now let's move to geopolitical updates. As of now, war-related tensions have cooled off. Today, Iran and the US are scheduled to meet in Qatar to discuss and resolve ongoing maritime disputes regarding safe ship passage through the Strait of Hormuz. As per Qatar timing, during the second half of Indian market hours, traders should stay highly cautious because important updates may emerge from this meeting. And both nations are saying there is no restriction on Hormuz route as of now. However, in the last 24 hours, only at around 5 to 6 ships have passed through that route. Normally, in last 2 weeks, around 80 to 90 ships were passing daily. And the surprising factor is that despite this slowdown, crude oil prices are still trading at nearly 3 months low. Now moving to a major global corporate update, one of the world's oldest and biggest company, British American Tobacco, is undergoing a massive restructuring. The company is eliminating or outsourcing approximately 9,000 jobs globally, nearly one-fifth of its workforce outside the US. Management clearly stated this move is part of a large AI-driven transformation. By integrating artificial intelligence, automating outflow, and partnering with technology firms like Accenture and BAT, aims to save nearly 600 million euros annually. This sends a powerful message. Even traditional legacy businesses are aggressively adopting AI to improve efficiency and protect margins. As AI becomes a core business tool, more companies may follow the same path. Now let's move to Indian companies' specific updates. First update is from KEC International. KEC has secured fresh order worth 1754 crores across global business segment. Its transmission and distribution business won major contract of high voltage transmission line towers across the America, including its largest ever tower supply order from the USA. Additionally, the company secured supply order for cables and conductors in domestic and international markets. With this, KEC's total order inflow for this financial year has crossed 4,000 crores. This reflects strong momentum in global power infrastructure demand. Next update from banking sector. A major CFO's reshuffle is happening among Axis Bank, HDFC Bank and Bandhan Bank. Puneet Sharma has resigned as a CFO of Axis Bank after more than 6 years. He will join HDFC Bank as CFO designated from September 1st. At the same time, Rajiv Mantri has resigned as a CFO of Bandhan Bank. As per the banking sources, Rajiv Mantri is likely to become the next CFO of Axis Bank. Currently, there is no official update regarding Bandhan Bank's next CFO. Next update from Sterling and Wilson. The company has won a major renewable energy contract in Egypt worth approximately $560 million, nearly 5,300 crore rupees. This project includes a massive 1,000 megawatt solar power plant integrated with a 600 megawatt per hour battery storage system. This will become one of the Egypt's largest renewable energy projects. And this is the company's third gigawatt scale order in the last 9 months. Next update is from Godavari Biorefineries. The company has commissioned a new corn and grain-based distillery at its Samirwadi unit. This adds 200 kiloliters per day capacity, taking total capacity significantly higher. And this expansion strengthens its ethanol business and improves feedstock flexibility. Next update is from RITES. RITES has signed an MOU with Container Corporation of India. RITES will provide end-to-end project management consultancy services for logistic and infrastructure development. This partnership focuses on logistic parks, warehouses, inland container depots, and rail-linked terminals. Next update from SJVN. SJVN has signed long-term power purchase agreement with Gujarat Urja Vikas Nigam Limited. The company will supply green hydropower from 3 upcoming projects in Himachal Pradesh. This provides strong long-term revenue visibility. Next update is from Digitek. This company's subsidiary is expanding BESS manufacturing capacity from 2.5 gigawatt per hour to 5 gigawatt per hour in July 2026. The company aimed to scale further to 10 gigawatt per hour by financial year 2027. This strong capacity expansion is supported by a massive order book of 11,337 crore rupees. Next update is from Inox Wind. Inox Wind is partially divesting stake in Inox Renewable Solution Limited. The transaction value is approximately 50 crore rupees. Despite this scale, the company will continue to maintain strong majority control. Next update is from Power Grid. Power Grid has acquired a project company for developing transmission infrastructure for green hydrogen and green ammonia projects in Kakinada, Andhra Pradesh. The deal value is approximately 20 crore rupees, and this project strengthens India's green energy infrastructure. Next update is from Crest Ventures. The company is expanding aggressively in Mumbai's residential real estate market. Its subsidiary has entered a development agreement in Dadar East, and the overall project GDV is approximately 2,200 crore rupees. Interestingly, the company's market cap is at around 1,000 crore rupees. Next update from HCG. Healthcare Global has completed the scale of its stake in BACC Healthcare Private Limited. The total transaction value is approximately 37.6 crore rupees. And next update is from SIS Limited. The board has approved a share buyback worth 120 crore rupees. The maximum buyback price is fixed at 478.50 rupees per share, around 10% premium to the recent closing price. This marks the company's 5th buyback since listing. And the final update is from ARSS Infrastructure. This is a very interesting small cap story. A company with market cap of just 123 crore rupees has secured a railway project worth 51 crore rupees. This single order is worth nearly 41% of the company's market cap. ARSS Infrastructure received this contract from East Coast Railway, and this project involves construction of a road over bridges on the Kurda-Puri railway line. Also, the execution timeline is 24 months. Now finally, let's look at Gift Nifty data. In the yesterday's trading session, Gift Nifty closed at 23,954 level with 0.6% losses, and today also opened at same level. That's all for today's pre-market report. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you again in today's post-market report video. Thanks for watching. Signing off. Bye bye. Jai Hind.